Hello friends, wishing you a very happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year. Let's talk something about cleaning, decluttering and donating the things. We are very much blessed once we have the things which has been passed down generation to generation. If you are good at keeping the things in a good condition and take care of it. Even if you can give it a new shape and revamping the things, that can be the cost cutting and a sustainable idea. But if the things which are not going to use any longer, then we must learn the art of letting go. Decluttering improves our physical and mental health. Decluttering and cleaning the space is as peaceful as meditation. Sometimes it is not easy for us to declutter and to disconnect and detach from the things. I will be sharing my example. Being a passionate reader, I have always habit of collecting the cuttings of newspapers with me. Now this year the property got renovated, so I had to cut down the space, and even I have collected more than required paper cuttings with me. Some information was also not needed now. We have been updated in so many things. But I was emotionally so much connected with that paper cuts, so I was not ready to let it go. So I convinced myself. I have created different albums as per the subject and the information which can be helpful to me and my students, that I have got stuck into that albums. Now that is manageable also, and the students can take the maximum advantage of it. Yeah, but it was a very emotional decision for me. When you are cleaning your space, you are removing the extra files, old papers, extra stationery from your work area. Trust me, it will improve your productivity. Empty space has more focused mind. Coming back to the topic of our home. Ladies, you're already loaded with the great wardrobes. Give yourself the gift of your emotional old saris with a new creative dress. Even we do have so much extra utensils, old bags, old clothes. Yeah, the condition applies that has to be in a good condition and donate it to someone. So many institutions are working for it. You can go there and you can wrap it like a gift if the things are in a good condition. It should not be torn, it should not be blackened. Fine. So one more thing I would like to add. All our divine God have attained their goal on this new year. All of you must have started your journey to pursue your different goals. Yeah, but the new year celebration starts when you really attain your goal. You be the updated version of yourself. This is the festival of light, not noise. Do say no to crackers. Let's keep the air breathable for all the living beings. Be more health conscious. Be thoughtful and mindful when you are having sweets or the fried snacks. Let's enjoy and let's celebrate these all auspicious days.